So let us discuss another topic on clamper circuit, design of clamper circuits from unit to non-linear wave shaping of pulse and digital circuits. Design of clamper circuits. So let us see the questions in design of clamper circuits. The first question is like this, very simple question. Design a diode clamper circuit to clamp the positive peaks of the input signal at 0 level. The frequency of the input voltage is 750 Hz. So this is a very simple problem. What you have to understand from the problem is that the positive peaks of the input signal to be clamped at 0 level. For example, that means, for example, this is the input signal, say, for example, this is the input signal, say, this is the positive peak. So that means we have to move the positive peaks to 0 level. So that is given. So we have to clamp the positive peaks to 0 level. So what this clamper will become? This clamper is a negative clamper. So that is what you have to understand. So the positive peaks have to be clamped to 0 level means, so the entire waveform should be shifted to negative side. So therefore first point you have to observe is that it is a negative clamper. It is a negative clamper. First point you have to understand from the problem is that it is a negative clamper circuit, since it introduces negative DC value. As you know that very simple circuit, it consisting of a capacitor for negative clamper. So the diode position will be like this. So there is no biasing required for this problem because the waveform is positive peak is clamped to 0. So therefore in practical circuit I said earlier, we place a resistor R across the diode. So this is the capacitor. So this is the input voltage VA of t. So this is the output voltage V0 of t. So in the design what we have to make is that we have to find out the values of R and C and just substitute, the answer will be over. So for this purpose, so here in this problem the diode forward resistance and diode reverse resistance are not given. So for this purpose let us assume RF, that is the forward resistance of the diode, say 100 ohms. So for every problem assume the forward resistance of the diode, since this is not given in the problem, and the reverse resistance means diode is in off condition, let us say 100 kilo ohms. This is very high. So you have to assume like this in every problem if diode forward resistance and reverse resistance are not given. So we have one formula, design formula, simply R is equal to square root of RF into RR. So this is the formula we have to use to calculate the R in the circuit, remember that. So R is equal to 100 into RR is 100 into 10 cube, the reverse resistance is very high. So it will come out as 10 kilo ohms. The resistor value come out as 10 kilo ohms. This is the first one, design of R. So the second point, so this is the first design formula, that is the first design formula. The second design formula is take the time constant. What is the time constant of the circuit? RC is very, very large. Let us assume it as 20T. So this is the second formula you have to remember. So let us consider that the RC time constant of the circuit is very large. That is 20 times the time period of the input signal. So capital T is the time period of the input signal. So therefore you can calculate C very easily. So therefore 20T by R we have calculated. So 20 by, what is T? Time period of the input waveform? Frequency. T is equal to 1 by F into R. If you substitute 20 by, so what is the frequency of the input signal given? It is 750 Hz it is given. What is the R we have calculated? 10 into 10 cube. So the answer will come out as C is equal to 2.667 microfarad. 2.667 microfarad. So this is the answer for this very simple problem. Remember these two design formulas in every clamper circuit design. So just mention the resistor value. What is the capacitor value? We got 2.667 microfarads. Capacitor we have to take, and resistor value we have to take 10 kilo ohms in the circuit. So this is the very important problem in the examination. Let us see the next question. So let us see the next question. So another very simple question. So this is the question is like this. The question is like this. Design a diode clamper to restore the bottom peaks, negative peaks, that is negative peaks of the input signal to zero level. Use silicon diode with forward resistance 50 ohms, reverse resistance is equal to 400 kilo ohms. The frequency of the input signal is 5 kilohertz. So what you have to understand from the problem is that you have to restore the bottom peaks, that is negative peaks of the input signal to zero level. For example, let us say this is the input signal, let us say, so this is the input signal. So you have to understand the question very carefully. So what we have to move, the question is given that the bottom peaks have to be moved to the zero level. So that means the output of the clamper should come like this. So the bottom peaks have to be moved to zero level. So what type of clamper this is? Positive clamper circuit. So therefore it is positive clamper circuit. So that is the first point you have to observe from the circuit. Positive clamper circuit. So you know how to draw the positive clamper circuit because it is at zero level. So there is no biasing voltage required in the previous problem also. So what is the simple circuit? The simple circuit is capacitor. So what is the direction of diode? We have to place positive clamper, the diode like this, the diode like this. So here we have to place a practical resistor, here R. So this is the circuit for this problem. So therefore here this is the plus or minus input voltage Vi. So this is the output V0. So this is the circuit we have designed. So in this circuit what just we have to find out the capacitor value and resistor value, just substitute and the answer will be over. So for this purpose, so what it is given in the previous problem it is not given, assume RF and RR. Here in this problem RF is given as so 50 ohms, see RR is given as 400 kilo ohms. So therefore what is the formula for R? First design formula, square root of forward resistance of the diode into reverse resistance of the diode. So that is 50 into 400 into 10 cube. So from this you get the resistor value as 4.472 kilo ohms. This is the first one. We have the resistor value. So what is the second design equation? So this is the first design equation. What is the second design equation? To calculate C, take the time constant RC is equal to 20 time period of the input waveform. So I want to calculate the capacitor value. So therefore 20 T by R. So 20 time period is equal to 1 by F. So therefore F into R. Substitute. So that is equal to 20 divided by what is the input frequency given? Input frequency is given as 5 kilohertz. 5 into 10 cube into what is the resistor value we got? 4.472 into 10 cube. So therefore the capacitor value which we get is 0.8945 microfarads. 0.8945 microfarads. So this is the very simple question in the examination. So what we have to write, take C is equal to what is the capacitor value we have to take? 0.8945 microfarads, and what is the resistor value we have to take? 4.472 kilo ohms. So this is the answer for this simple problem. So this is about the design of clamper circuits. Thank you.